Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare VS Code installation and path setup. We'll explore the two main ways to install VS Code, either for your user account or for all users on your system. Then, I'll guide you through setting up the command line path, which allows you to launch VS Code directly from your terminal using the code command. By the end, you'll understand the pros and cons of each method, helping you choose the best approach for your development environment. When installing VS Code, you typically choose between a user installation or a system-wide installation. A user installation places the application within your personal user profile, requiring no administrator privileges. This is perfect if you're on a shared computer or don't have admin access. Conversely, a system installation places VS Code in a common program files directory, making it accessible to all users on the machine. This option usually requires administrative permissions during the setup process. Setting up the VS Code path is crucial for a seamless workflow. This process integrates the code command into your system's environment variables, enabling you to open files or folders in VS Code directly from any command prompt or terminal window. Often, the VS Code installer provides an option to automatically add itself to your system's path during the initial setup. If not, you can manually configure this by modifying your operating system's environment variables, typically a straightforward process taking only a few minutes. Deciding which installation method is better depends on your specific needs. If you're the sole user of your machine or operate in an environment with restricted permissions, the user installation is generally the most convenient and recommended choice. For shared workstations or managed environments where multiple developers need access, a system-wide installation ensures everyone can easily utilize VS Code. Both methods provide the exact same powerful features and functionality once installed, so choose the one that best fits your access and usage patterns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.